How you lead at home should be how you lead in the community, which is how you should lead in your organization. And they're the same elements that form that very strong base to house the success that you're looking to create. But ultimately, it really is about influence, nothing more and nothing less.
She's very genuine, very warm, very authentic.
She's also very confident in what she talks about.
And she seems to draw out the best in everyone and get us thinking about what we're looking for.
First of all, she has great presentation. Secondly, she invites people to engage.
One of the things I think is so important in a presentation is to give different learning styles the ability to have an incredible experience. You know, the exercises are tailored to small group exercises, large group exercises, one-on-one. I think laughter and dancing and movement and high five.
She's a lot of fun, and her stories about her law enforcement career can be very funny.
Somebody will say, well, you know, this is a really tough crowd. And I'll say, my background's in federal law enforcement and I used to pack heat, so it really isn't all that scary to me.
With Lisa Marie, she always has so much energy and she presents with such enthusiasm.
You know, just the liveliness and the vibrance that she brings to all of this is really, it's really fantastic.
Her energy just keeps me captivated, and my just intake all types of information.
She speaks from a perspective that I understand, but yet she's able to move me up a level, I think, each time that I come.
You really get who she is in her presenting, and you get that she really cares about people and that she really wants to provide a lot of value to her customers.
I think she's just top-notch.
I want to be in a room with people who are change makers, difference makers, you know, who have the ability that one small ripple can literally move a planet, can move a community, can move an organization, can foster change in a way that that they may not have even realized just by thinking a little bit differently. The world is made for those who stand out, not those who fit in.